Hello fellow traders, and welcome to another video of bullish candlestick signals and chart patterns from bullstock.info. Our video today looks at some of the stocks featured on Bullstock Info that look promising for trade for Thursday, September 10th. For the complete list of chart patterns, visit www.bullstock.info. And let's get started with a couple of bullish engulfing chart patterns. The bullish engulfing, we'll start with CATY. See the stochastics have curled over coming out of the oversold area, and the big bullish engulfing actually encompassing two of the most previous trading days. This has had a couple of days positive movement so far after the last bearish signal, so might be a quick profit trade. Look for a profit target at the 20 to 50 day moving average. That's your gray and your blue lines respectively. Also with a bullish engulfing is ASBC. Stochastics are at the oversold line. We have the bullish engulfing, which forms on a serious line of support right at the $10.02 mark. You'll notice the consolidation over the past 6 or 8 trading days, almost equal lows at that 10.02 mark. The bullish engulfing happening today and closing above the 8 exponential moving average, your dashed line. So again, a quick profit trade of profit targets at the 20 or the 50-day moving average. If you want to take some of your positions off when you get to that profit target, say the 50, and then see what you can do with the other half if it can get through the 50-day moving average. You'll notice what happened here. This last move up, we went to the 50 and then fell back down. Be interesting to throw some Fibonacci numbers on there to see the exact retracement, but watch what happens when it gets up to the 50-day moving average. You might want to take profit there. So again, that's bullish engulfing for you for ASBC. Alrighty, we'll take a look at a couple of bullish Harami signals, the bullish Haramis. First up is FR. That's First Industrial Realty Trust, FR. And again, we always like it when a candlestick buy signal forms on support of a moving average. And no different here with FR, the Harami forming on support of the 200-day moving average. That's your red line, the 200 simple moving average. And that gives us a nice profit target up to the 20-day moving average, which is your gray line. Stochastics are in the oversold area. And we also have Quest Communications. The symbol is Q. Q is the symbol there. With the bullish Harami, a little bit of room to get above the 8 exponential, but then we have a nice broad gap, if you will, between the moving averages. First profit target would be the 200 and the 20. That's your red and your gray lines. Maybe take off half your position, make some profit, and then hold on for some to the 50-day moving average, your blue line. But also look right where the 200 and the 20 come together. It's just under that $3.72 mark, which provided some support on that last downward fall. And as you know, old support becomes new resistance. And if we'll go back over in time a little bit to early part of July, the $3.72 mark actually provided some support there. So double areas of support providing some resistance. So you might want to, again, keep in mind the 200 and the 20-day moving average just right at that 372 mark or slightly under would be a good profit target for you for this bullish Harami of Q. Definitely a short-term trade and a quick profit trade possibly for you. Alrighty, go on to really a couple of my favorite chart patterns. It's the 3 inside up and the 3 outside up. Can be used for some of your more conservative traders who like to have confirmation of a bullish Harami and a bullish engulfing. So we'll start with the 3 inside up, which is nothing more than confirmation of a bullish Harami signal. We look at LJPC, which had the Harami signal on the previous trading day, and then the confirmation of that with the big move up today, almost over 18% move on the very inexpensive stock. So stochastics have curled up and are coming up. Plenty of room to go. Nice move there for LJPC, so you might want to back up the truck, as they say, and load up for LJPC on the 3 inside up. Also another inexpensive one, but a good looking chart pattern for HAFC. HAFC. Again, the Harami pattern yesterday, confirmation of that signal today, and not only confirmation, but it gapped up and closed above the 20-day and the 200-day moving averages. So we're above the moving average phrase, still plenty of room in the stochastics for positive movement. So 3 inside up for HAFC. And pretty much the same thing for PAET. PAET. Nice looking 3 inside up. And also take a look. It's above the most recent high. Go back just a little further. Still have a little bit of room to go before we clear the second most recent high. So keep an eye on that. Again, after a big move, you might see profit taking as well. But nice looking 3 inside up for PAET. And finally, on our video today, we'll take a look at 2 of the 3 outside up chart patterns. The 3 outside up is confirmation of a bullish engulfing. The engulfing yesterday, the confirmation of that today, closing above the 8 exponential and the 20 simple moving average. Stochastics, plenty of room to go. Better than average volume for NPBC. NPBC. So a nice looking 3 outside up chart for NPBC. And also we have the 3 outside up for CMED. CMED, CMED, closing just under the 20-day moving average, and that also coincides, if you look to the left of the chart, with support right around that $15 area. So keep an eye on that. You want to see it get through the 20-day moving average, but then you've got a nice spread of the moving averages with nice looking profit targets at your 50-day moving average, the blue line, and your 200-day moving average, the red line. So CMED with a 3 outside up. That's going to do it for our bullish candlestick chart pattern video, compliments of bullstock.info. For a complete list of the free bullish candlestick chart patterns each and every trading day, just visit the website www.bullstock.info and follow us on Twitter, twitter.com/bullstock. Thanks for watching.